Hi, today this video is about the Xiaomi portable digital pump. So thank you for viewing Hobo Alex, and today is going to be Xiaomi product review and unboxing and review. So what I got here is the portable pump, which is battery powered. It can go up to 150 psi, pretty handy. As you can see, there's a digital readout. Basically, you can pump until the desired pressure and you stop automatically. It's good for bicycle, motorcycle, cars, and balls, obviously. What else? Some specs. Actually, it has a 2000 milliamp battery inside, and it's there's no weight specification, but it feels quite hefty actually. So let's go into the unboxing inside. Just order this online. I'll let you know how to get this online. Okay, it's a bit tough to open. Okay, let's see what I have here. Small pouch to hold the pump. Oh, nice feel. It smells like Alcantara feel actually. Let's put that aside. Let's see, what's this? I believe it's charging cables, and I think some yes, adapters. Okay, this is obviously for pumping balls, and this one I believe is the one adapter to adapt to the smaller, thinner valve. Okay, that's good. Charging cable, right? And what we should see is the yep, put a unit there first, and quick start guide, all in Chinese, showing what all the things are supposed to be. Okay, not bad. Okay, it even has recommended pressure for certain type of like for the bicycle, motorcycle, cars, and even balls. Right, okay, let's put it aside and let's see the unit itself. Okay, how to turn it on. Looks nicely built, some heft to it. Right, with the boxing undone, let's have a closer look. First of all, you might be wondering where's the on and off switch for this one, right? So it's quite ingenious actually. And it's on. Pull out the tube and it will turn on, right? And straight away you can see that there is a PSI. You can see the PSI reading. You can actually change it to bar. Just a long press this button. Go back to PSI again. So the first mode is actually starts from 0 and can go, fine tune the pressure that you want. But there are also presets here that you press on this button. That goes to bicycle 45 PSI. Motorcycle 2.4 bar, cars 2.5 bar, which I can actually also change to PSI. Let me see if you can. Wow, if I change to PSI, of course it doesn't have any reading. We figure it out. The next one will be for balls. Okay, what else? So if I turn, oh, one thing I forgot to do. All new items, I love to do this. It's very satisfying. Taking out the protective film. Look at that. Yes. Maybe I should remove this one as well. Let's see. There you go. Yes. There's a torchlight here actually, where you can press this button. There you go, and it becomes a torchlight. Pretty handy if you're in a basement car park and you need light. And let's see. The light here shows that it's more than 50%. If it's less than 50%, it will be yellow, and if it's running less than 20%, it will be red. And below that is actually the charging port. You can see if I open up. Yes, micro USB charging port. Okay. Yeah, let's try to operate it. Okay, this one will be a much pressure. So, are you ready? Okay, quite loud actually. Okay, not cause too much noise here. So the next test I'm going to do will be try to pump a few items with this. My road bike tire, maybe my car tire, and a few balls. And let's see how fast it takes to pump that up. So moving on to the accessories that's included, I just want to point out that the adapter for from the normal fat valve to the tin valve is actually made of metal. You know, this is not some plastic. It's really quite well built, feels right. And cable, well, nothing much there. And the needle to pump sports balls, quite decent. Now, then I realized as I go on to the pouch that was given free, that's which is made of good quality diffused Alcantara, and there's really a neat touch. Inside it, there's another small pouch with Velcro closing that we can store this, and this is really good actually, really thoughtful of them to think of it there. So I don't have to worry about losing these small parts, right? So there you go, and seal it very tightly with Velcro. Yep. And of course, let's put this thing down. Nice. Really good package.